Man was just delivering pizza. Now he's a victim. God damn, boy. I tell you what? What? I ain't gonna lie. It do sound weird and creepy as shit. Then when you think about it, you got a lot of lonely people out there that ain't got nobody. They're just like, you know what? I'm fine with this. I'm cool with this. This is my destiny. You feel me? So it's like, it depends on what the hell she was trying to do. All goes the same like this, bro. You want somebody? Don't be weird. Don't be weird. If you want to be accepted, appreciated, and loved, don't be weird. Because that's exactly what you're going to end up with. Yeah. Damn shame.